about sound. Sound is how we hear. We use our ears to hear sound vibrations in our environment. So if you have a balloon, you can use that. And so when we blow up a balloon, we use air, right? The air we breathe, we blow into a balloon. And so what we want to do is listen. Do you hear that big thump? That's the sound of me tapping the balloon. Now, there is air in here and it's condensed or it's very close together. That amplifies or makes louder the sound that it's coming from. So let's put a balloon up to our ear and we're going to gently tap the balloon. Do you think I can hear it? It actually sounds like someone's tapping right on my ear. I also feel the vibration of the tap. Now, in talking to you, I also hear my voice echoing in the balloon. So the air inside the balloon helps amplify or make louder the sound. So you have a balloon at your house, blow it up, put it to your ear, lightly tap. Don't hit it hard, just very lightly. Lightly tap it and see if you can feel the vibration and hear clearly what it sounds like. Is it a low sound? Is it a high sound? Okay. So let me know what you find out from your balloon sound experiment.